Nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to UNBOXMAS. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Ren, here again with another video. Guys, I am channeling all of the housewives right now, all of them. I am all of the housewives right now. So I'm channeling all the housewives. If you watch, there's a spin-off to a Stars series called Power. If you watch that, I think it's called Ghosts, like Ghost Chapter, whatever, Ghost whatever. And there's a character, it's Mary J. Blige, is playing a character named Monet. I am Monet personified today. You don't know who it is, pause, go Google it, and then come back. Tell me I'm not doing it. This hair is giving me the vibes. It's giving me all the vibes right now of all the housewives, all of the Monets in the world. I'm feeling so fabulous in glam fab, whatever. But yeah, anyway, how is everybody? How's it going? This is day 4. Today is Saturday. This is the 3rd unboxing. Loads and loads and loads to do today, but wanted to pop in and do the unboxing. I am trying to stay committed to UNBOXMAS. I am so stoked about how good it's been going, how much I've been able to interact with everybody. So excited. So we're gonna get into it, trying to give you like a little bit of a mix too. Like, I don't want it to all be, you know, one thing. That's why, like in the beginning I had said, you know, I don't know if everything's going to be luxury, because I don't want it to be all one thing, but I do tend to gravitate towards luxury, but I'm trying to show some other bits, like not just like handbags, or not just you know, whatever, like accessories or what have you. Well, no, they're all accessories basically. No, not everything, but hopefully this will also give you some gifting ideas as well. Oh, one thing I wanted to talk about really quick is this little guy. So I unboxed this a couple of videos back in a Gucci haul, and it's basically a Apple Pro AirPods Pro case, and I'm obsessed. Like, I use this every day, all day, you know, no returns, no refunds. Just wanted to let you know that it was holding up so well, and it's not expensive. Like, if you're looking for gift ideas, I'm hoping that these unboxings will also inspire you to get some things. I know that I watched some unboxings happening during Vlogmas, and I'm like, ooh, that would make an amazing gift. Like Dale's Addiction had in her Vlogmas, and if you don't know who Dale is, I'll link her video up in the iCards. Go on and check out her channel. She is also doing Vlogmas, and she had these really cool advent calendars. It didn't even occur to me to get one of those. I mean, just any one of them. They've got so many with, you know, little treats, sweets. One that she had, I think, had like pamper products, and then what she did was she showcased ones from Australian, because she's in Australia, from Australian businesses, which another win. I mean, just so great when you can be able to support your, you know, local businesses and so on. So I just love, you know, that. And I was thinking about, wow, what a great gift idea that would be. Now, I don't know if I could get anything to New York from Australia in time for Christmas, but I love the idea, and I loved, you know, maybe now, okay, I'll get an advent calendar for somebody. So I'm hoping that you all will use this opportunity with these different unboxings to be like, okay, that might make a good gift idea. I like that, or what have you. But yeah, if you're looking for a luxury gift that's not like killing it, like breaking the bank, you know, you're not gonna like, you know, have to sell a child or anything for, and it's useful, like the person will actually get use out of it, it would be this. It's so neat. So I really like this. It took me ages to get the AirPod Pros because I was so like loving my Bose ones, but I really like these, and I love the way that they're secure. I love clicking it to my bag. It's just, yeah, it's all the things. So just a thought, just wanted to share that with you. Moving on back to what we came for. So Told you I don't want to make these long, but you know I'm inclined to make them long. So okay, so we're doing an unboxing today. Hey, yay, that's what we're doing every day in December. We're doing unboxings, and today we're bringing it back to the original, the classic, the OG, the you know, the love of my life, Louis Vuitton. And you know, just again, we lost Virgil Abloh this last weekend, and you know, major condolences to his friends and family. Such a loss, but it was amazing that, you know, he was the first black man to be, you know, creative director of a major fashion house, you know, luxury fashion house. That's huge. That's huge. So, you know, his impression that he's left on the world will be forever there. So, but, you know, major shout outs and prayers going to his family and friends. But back to Louis Vuitton. Absolutely, you know, always loving Louis. Haven't been buying anything from Louis lately, to be honest, because one, I hate going to the store, because I feel like when I go to the store, it's just so random. I don't have an SA. I have not been able to create a relationship with an SA in Louis Vuitton, so I never have, like, the experiences are very random. You can get somebody really great, somebody who doesn't care, someone who's just like whatever. It's like going to, like, you know, any department store. It's not really like, it's not special. They don't try to, like, you know, make it special. So whatever. So I haven't gone into stores. So normally I buy my bits online, and online everything's been sold out for like months. So it's like, what's the point? So I haven't really, you know, and it's like, okay, well, if I don't see it, I'll just move on to something else, or something that's easier to get, or something, you know, something else then bumps up the list. And Louis Vuitton has been going down the list, but always a Louis lady. Don't get it twisted. I'm Louis to the heart. So I always love my Louis Vuitton, but you know, I just haven't found anything lately that I need to have this. Like, I haven't been like that, except for this. So this was on my wish list. I think so. I don't know. I'm going to do that after vlogmas, unboxmas. After unboxmas, I'll do that. We'll do like a recap of my wish list that I did in the beginning of the year. But yeah, so I believe this was on my wish list, but I've wanted this for ages. I got this from a reseller. Well, yes, well, not reseller, so from my Facebook group, which I've talked about here on this channel before, but I will link it in the description box down below if you're interested in joining a reputable you know, luxury Facebook group. I'll link mine, but basically there are individuals on there who are luxury lovers for different brands, and the one I'm a part of is for Louis Vuitton. And I got this there because I could not find this online. I have been searching. I check daily, and I am up all hours of the night, all hours of the day. I check in the morning, the night, the afternoon. I'll take it in any print. It did not matter. I just wanted it, and I could not get my hands on it. So I went into my group and I put in in search of, and here she is. So gonna give her an open. Okay, so ta-da. I mean, you guys have watched 99 billion unboxings of Louis Vuitton, so you know what the inside of a Louis Vuitton box looks like. I hope you do. If not, find one of my other videos. I'll link some other videos for you to check out where I've done some Louis Vuitton unboxings and I show the inside of the box. So here it is in its dust bag. Ooh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, so this is the desk agenda in the GM size. I think I have it upside down. Yeah, there we go. It's the desk agenda in the GM size. Brand spanking new, like never been used. Look at the glazing. I mean, just immaculate, so good. Oh my gosh, like they were not lying. Like, looks so good. So it came with the textile card, I think. Yeah, well, yeah, what is this? Yes, so it just says coated fabric, calf leather interior lining. So this is leather, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think so. So this is leather, and then this is the canvas bit, and it's just a little card in here. I don't think it had the skew or anything in there as well. No, but this is basically, so how I describe this to people who have never like touched it or seen it or in person, it is basically a book cover. basically. I'm a major planner, major planner. Lately I've gotten really aggressively into financial planning, cryptocurrency, all of those bits, like really into investing and so on. So this is going to house my financial planner, and basically it's like a book I already have, and I'm going to put the inserts. That's how I'm going to do it. But I've seen people do the 6 ring, no, is it 6? Maybe 6 or 9 ring cylinders. Not 9, I think 9 would be too long. But they've done like the cylinder binding in here, and they'll do their own inserts. I've seen people do just a notebook, just like a regular good old-fashioned notebook, and you just slide the back of the notebook in to these like little pockets here and just use it to cover. But basically this is like a book cover, an expensive, fancy, schmancy, flex book cover. That's basically what this is. But I'm going to use it as my financial planner, and basically it's going to house all of that. And I've got some inserts and so on. I've literally been buying things like crazy just for this, like little things that I've liked, like little paper clips, little inserts, things that I've had shipped from England. Like I mean, it doesn't have a pen holder, so I like had a pen holder kind of clamp thing shipped to me from England. You know, just so many different things, but I'm obsessed with this. I've been looking for it forever. I would have taken monogram, I would have taken Damier Bean, I would have taken any canvas I could get my hands on. I have not been able to get it. I think the only one that I've seen it in was in I think an epi leather. No, was it an epi? I think it was. And I wasn't a fan of that. You know, I love a good monogram. I love that flex. I mean, if you're going to do it, if you're going to buy it and spend all that money on it, do it. Sometimes you want to be subtle. This wasn't the time for me that I wanted to be subtle. I wanted to be loud in your face with it. So I'm obsessed with this. I'm so happy that I got it. I'm so happy that I've joined the Facebook group, and this is just another thing that, like another avenue that I can utilize. And I've been a part of this group now, I want to say about 4 years at least. And it's really good to have these other resources when you're trying to look for certain things or hard to find items. You don't have to only be you know, held captive by the website or by an essay that will return your phone calls. There's other options out there. Yes, it takes a little bit more effort. Yes, you have to do your due diligence, get your items authenticated, you know, maybe do a little bit digging, ask questions, get pictures, you know, engage with the individuals to buy it. Yes, it can be a little bit more work, but if it's what you really want, you do what you want to do for what you really want. So for me, it's worth it when I get a piece like this that has been sold out for months and I have not been able to get my hands on it, and now I have it in my collection. So I'm super excited. So like I said, I will do an what's in my planner or setting up my planner, and I you know what, I blame T from Daily Chic, and I'll link her channel in the iCards, because I was like, this was on my list, but it was kind of like just sleeping there. You know, you have those items that you're like, you want it, but it's like, when I, you know, if it comes up, I'll get it, whatever. And she got hers, I don't remember where she got hers from, but she got one and then did a whole video about putting it together, and I was like drooling all over it, because I'm like, oh, that's what I want to do. I want to do that so bad. So, and I know that, you know, I have my daily you know, planner that I use for, you know, my activities in my life, and I have, you know, my YouTube one, and then now I have the financial one. So I'm so excited. So yeah, so I'll do a video after UNBOXMAS about what I put in it, how I set it up. I did order another financial planner from Patricia Bright's channel from The Break. She has a financial planner that looks really cool. So I ordered that. Don't know if I'm going to use it for this or if I might use it for something else. I don't know yet, but I did order it to see if it will fit. But if not, I already have all of my bits already that I want to put in here. That was just something additional that I saw she had on sale, because I have a shopping problem, okay? She had it on sale and they sent me an alert, and I was like, oh, okay, this looks great. And I got it, so yeah. Anyway, all right, so that's it. So it's the Louis Vuitton desk agenda in the GM size. So this is the biggest size. I don't know if it comes in a smaller size. I don't know. But I will link this down below. I'll put the link in the description box, but I don't even know why, because it's never in stock. But if you find it in stock, God bless. You could probably sell it for double the price, because it's never around. Yeah, I'll also put in the description because I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I have to look back in my I'll look back in my instant messages and see what the price was for it, but it was below retail. So, and that's another thing, because they also got a price increase and it's also gone up in price. So that's it for me. Short, sweet, to the point, get back to the weekend, do what you gotta do. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when auntie is back in the house again. And you know, just a little bit of a spoiler. It'll be tomorrow. I'll be back again tomorrow. We'll do this all over again. See what else I'm unboxing, see what else I'm getting, get some gifting inspiration so you guys can go out there and get your gifting on. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great one. Bye.